Hey guys, Kurt here from NK Garage again, back with another quick little warranty video here. So today's warranty video is obviously about SK tools and my recent warranty experience. So I didn't have like a lot of stuff to contact them about, but I wanted to test out their warranty, and it's definitely easy to contact them. I went straight to Google, just searched SK warranty, clicked on their website, and there was a link right there that said file a warranty claim. So I went in and I clicked on that, and it probably took 2 minutes to fill out their quick little online form. Basically, they ask you, for the part number of the stuff you're warrantying, and also just to upload a picture of each that you're having a problem with. So I uploaded a picture of this socket here. It's an old vintage SK socket, the 40128. It's a 7/8 inch 12-point socket. It's got 2 cracks on it. Might be hard for you guys to see, but there's 2 cracks, one here and here, which is pretty common on these sockets because they the way they kind of rounded off the tops here. I mean, it's great for tight spaces, but it definitely weakened these sockets, and they crack pretty frequently. A lot of people have had this exact same problem. So I sent them a picture of that, as well as a picture of this old C16 wrench where the end was the box end was just kind of broken off there. And they got back to me within, I want to say within a couple hours. I did this warranty in the morning, and midway through the day I had an email back saying, thank you for reaching out to us. We appreciate your business, and we'll get your warranty processed. And they were able to work that out for me. And I think it went about another 5 days before I actually got a shipping confirmation. And once they shipped it, it only took like 2 days to get to me. So it was about a 7-day process. Pretty quick. I really can't complain. And I was actually happy when I opened up the package and they had sent me this set of SK magnetic toolbox organizer labels. So they're all magnetic, and I like that the barcode here right below it says made in USA. So I like that. That's cool. I'll definitely be slapping these on some of my toolboxes. Just help me get things organized. So that was a nice free little gift from them. I wasn't even expecting that, and I really do appreciate that. As far as the replacement socket, we got the same size, obviously the newer version, but it still has the USA mark. Very nice. The wrench, however, it's a nice modern chrome wrench, same size, same thing, 12-point, except nowhere on here does it have a country of origin. So I'm wondering, this is possibly a Chinese or a Taiwan wrench, and I'm not like a super big SK guy, but I don't know if this is something they're going to start sending all their wrenches out of Taiwan or China. I don't really like that. I like the old American-made ones. Maybe they're going to have 2 different product lines, where they'll have a more economy line and maybe a USA line. I don't know. I know they've been changing a lot of things, and you go on their website and it's like almost everything is out of stock. So I was surprised that they actually had both of these items in stock, because I know a lot of people that had filed warranty claims recently had said that it took months and months to get their item back just because of their stock problems. So we'll see what happens there. They were nice. They got back to me right away, and they shipped it out rather quick. So I'm pretty happy here. But I am wondering what they're going to be doing with their production lines and their manufacturing overseas. It's not exactly something that I support. I believe, just as many of you guys do, that we buy these higher end brands because of their made in USA and their warranty. So that's kind of why I support these brands. So we'll see what happens there. Other than that, I just want to give you guys a quick little update on what's been going on. I've been getting some regular viewers. That's been great. You know, I only started this YouTube channel a couple months ago, but I'm going to be trying to do 2 videos a week. One video is either going to be from my warranty series, or my ratchet repair series, or my tips and tricks series. And then I will always be doing 1 video a week where I do a tool haul. So this is one that's going to be coming up. It's a box that looks familiar because I bought it from a guy I had purchased before. So if you watch one of my other videos, you'll see there's a video with a box that looks just like this, full of ratchets and sockets. And when I picked that one up, he told me, you know, hey, you know, I'm going to reach out to you in a couple weeks. I got to go through my wrenches. Basically, this guy, you know, he had bought used tools, new tools throughout his entire life. And, you know, a lot of times when you buy a used lot, something like this, at the tag sale, garage sale, you get a lot of stuff that you need and some stuff that you don't need. So he finally got around to going through his tools, and this is all the stuff that he didn't want. So there's a mix of goodies in here. We got some good USA made stuff, various brands like Snap-on, Craftsman, Mac, and some older ones. Like right here, there's an old vintage Williams wrench. So we'll be going through that pretty soon. And then what's been coming up in the ratchet repair world, if you saw my Snap-on video, you saw that I got my repair kits in. So there's 2 Snap-on ratchets in here we're going to be servicing. I'm also going to be taking apart this SK ratchet and just doing a quick cleaning and service. It works fine, but I want to clean it up. This one here is an old fun one. It's a 5449 proto ratchet. I've got this old Craftsman ratchet in here. Here's another one. This is the one with the flying V switch selector. That one's going to be a fun one. Here's another Craftsman round head ratchet. I think there's even another one in here. There's 2 of those. So these are going to be coming up in videos hopefully soon. I've just been pretty busy, but I'm going to be trying to get these videos out to you guys pretty soon. So I want to thank you guys again for watching. And if you like this video today, hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed to us and you like our content, definitely give us a subscribe. And leave a comment on your thoughts and your experiences with SK warranties. I'll be putting the link to that website that you can file a claim on in the description, just to make it easier for you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, and also check out our other channel at the same time. We also have a landscape business here, and we do videos on that as well. So if you have some time and you want to check us out there as well, we would appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a great day.